Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make this eggless pumpkin spice cake. It's a really soft and delicious cake and melts in your mouth and it gets ready within 1 hour. This is an oil based cake and so you can also refrigerate it and still it will remain soft. First, you need to preheat oven to 160 degrees centigrade. Now let us mix all the dry ingredients. To maida, add powdered brown sugar or jaggery powder and powdered cinnamon and pumpkin spice powder. You can get it from Amazon. I don't know how to make it, but just you can go and get it from Amazon. Now baking powder and baking soda. So all these are the dry ingredients. Mix everything with a whisk so that everything is nicely combined. Then we'll mix all the liquid ingredients. To pumpkin puree, add refined oil or coconut oil and some curd and vanilla. I like to add this vanilla powder, but you can also use essence if you have essence. Okay, you can add 1 teaspoon of essence. Now mix everything thoroughly until the oil, puree and curd mixes really well. So the amount of liquid looks like lesser, but it's completely okay. It will make a really good batter. Now add the liquids to the prepared dry ingredients and whisk it until the liquid and dry ingredients combine together. Don't over whisk the batter because the cake will become really dense. So once it's mixed for 70 or 80%, you just switch to a spatula and then gently fold the batter until all the dry ingredients get mixed with the liquid ingredients. So before starting the batter preparation, you also need to prepare your cake tin, either an 8 inches round tin or a 7 inches square tin. You just line it with the parchment paper and grease it with butter and then just pour your batter into the cake tin. Then level the top of the batter with your spatula. You can just bake it or you can add some almonds or any other nuts on top. It gives nice crunch when you bite into the cake. These kind of slivered almonds you can get it from Amazon, so check it out. Now by the time you make the batter, your oven will be ready to bake. So just keep your cake tin inside the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Once the cake comes out of the oven, just check it with a toothpick and see if it's not sticking. Once it's cooled completely, you can remove it from the cake tin and then you can slice it up and serve it immediately. You can also refrigerate the cake if you want it shelf life. Give it a little bit extra shelf life. Just put it inside an airtight box and refrigerate it and then take it out whenever you are ready to serve. The cake is really good. If you like it, please leave me a comment and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.